Developing automation workflows often takes more effort than expected. Even for routine tasks, users need to configure connectors, define logic, and depend on IT for execution. This causes delays and hinders the wider adoption of automation across business functions. Generative actions in Microsoft Power Automate address this challenge directly. Instead of manually building flows, users can now describe their requirements in natural language. For example, send an email and post a Teams message when a file is uploaded to SharePoint. Power Automate interprets the input and generates a complete, ready-to-use workflow with no coding, no additional setup. At AVASOFT, we help organizations integrate generative actions into their automation strategy. From approval workflows to data synchronization and system notifications, we work with teams to identify high-impact use cases and deploy them consistently and at scale. The results are tangible. Faster delivery of workflows, greater autonomy for business teams, increased adoption of automation across departments, built-in adherence to best practices, and with native integration across Microsoft 365 applications, Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, and Excel, organizations can unify data, communication, and workflows in a connected, scalable environment. As a Microsoft Solutions partner, AVASOFT supports every phase of the journey, from user enablement and training to governance and long-term scalability. If your teams are still tied to manual processes or waiting for development support, Generative Actions provides a structured and reliable alternative. Let's simplify automation with prompts, not code. Reach out to our experts at sales@avasoft.com. We're here to help you get started.